Depending on which side of the fence you're sitting on, some may consider the Homabay Town MP a martyr for venturing into a terrain that not many men would dare for fear of social ramifications, or a man on a mission to save his own skin. The Homabay Town MP argues his is a crusade to rewrite family law and champion for equal custody rights in the eyes of the law for both parents, whether married or not in the first instance, should they fail to arrive at an amicable solution.
This discriminates against the children born out of wedlock. I'm saying in the bill that all children are equal before the law. They are entitled to equal protection of the law, and they should be given equal facilities which are promised to all children by the Constitution, so that we remove these discriminations.
One could argue his Eureka moment may have been sparked by his own experience. He's currently locked in a legal battle with his estranged wife for allegedly failing to honor his child maintenance responsibilities to his 7-year-old daughter. Kaluma is, however, dismissing assertions by his critics that his is a personal vendetta.
As a person and as a leader, I seldom discuss my family. But I wanted to tell everybody that even those children of mine being spoken about are known one by the people who know me.
He argues the motive behind his proposed amendments is to address inconsistencies in the Constitution regarding children's rights by amending Section 24 of the existing Children's Act. Under the current legislation, a father is only entitled to the custody of a child if he applies through courts for parental responsibility and it is proven that the mother is not capable of raising the child. A clause he wants changed to allow either parent equal responsibility to exercise parental care and protection of a child, whether married or not in the first instance. This, he argues, will offer a remedy to what he terms as a culture of extortion by some women who use their children as bait for financial gain.
The sections of the parents, going to court, merely using, a child as, an instrument to extort money from the other biological parent. We've had cases in which you can get a single, parent, giving birth with alternate men, and of course being awarded money because it is to the child, it is not the mother. And of course, what this law now brings to our attention is the fact that even when you are going to parent, even at your own level, you must be alive to the fact that you are required also to protect and care for the child. So you must ask whether you have the means.
The Children Amendment Bill 2014 is likely to attract support from male MPs and even some female MPs who are arguing for caution before trivializing the proposed changes, which, if adopted, will see the repeal of Section 26 and 27, touching on child custody and maintenance that gives custodial priority to the mother.
As in unanimity, remove hurdles which would stop, both parents of a child from, freely taking care of the child. And let us be positive. Let us give, a child the best that a child can be given.
Kaluma says there are other benefits in the law, including a clause that grants men automatic parental responsibility if he cohabits with a woman for a period of not less than 6 months.
The perpetuity of a nation is based on how many young people we are able to get and how well we are able to bring them up. And that is why we must keep firming up the law.
As debate kicks off in Parliament, it is not lost that if adopted, this could redefine justice in the practice of family law as well as attract social, cultural and religious implications. If the Children Amendment Bill 2014 is enacted into law, it will be a groundbreaker on a precedent that have seen women have exclusive rights to children. Marion Kanari for the Bill Tracker in Nairobi.